What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a custom email on Google Forms. So first you need to head over to Google Drive and then click on New. And after that, you need to go to Google Forms. And after clicking Google Forms in the new tab, the Google Forms will open. From here, you need to click on Settings here on the right side. And then in the Responses section, you need to click here. And then you need to set this to responder input here in the collect email and then make sure that it turned on, and after that here at the top you can see this add-ons icon. Click on this, and after clicking on this you will see the option to get more add-ons. But if you can't see this, here you can click on the three dots and then click on get add-ons. And after that, in the search bar, you need to type and search for mail merge. As you can see, this is the mail merge. I'll just simply install it and then click on continue. And after clicking on continue, this will ask you to choose an account to log into mail merge. So just simply choose your account and then click on continue. After that, click on allow to allow your mail to sign in with the mail merge account. After that, as you can see, the mail merge has been installed. Click on done and then just simply close it. Come back to questions and then in this add-ons, click on this mail merge and after that, click on start. After clicking on start here, as you can see, the mail merge pop-up has been opened. And from here, uh, you can send this email on a form student. You can just select yes or no, and the from email account will be entered here, and the send to account will be entered here, and then the display name will be appearing here. From here, you need to enter your subject and the body template that you want. And when you're done, simply click on save, and then you can also perform a send test. But I don't want to perform the send test. I'll just simply click on save and then save this email. As you can see, I have entered my body template and my subject, and when I've clicked on save, this is saving my mail merge. And this is how you can send a custom email on Google Forms. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.